it, bro. I'm back with it. I ain't mad at it, man. Yeah, man. 360 Jeezy, man, with MMP Stamora, man. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I'm in Oakland, man. Oh, yeah? Yeah, I'm in Oakland, man.
So my client came in and basically he was like, you know what, I'm done with this. I just want wavelength and a taper. So right now, I just went in and I used my BGRCs with the 5/0 blade and I'm just cutting the top down, alright? I'm doing this first basically because, you know, my regular clippers isn't gonna cut it down fast enough. I'm using my Wall Seniors. They cut down hair fast, but just not like the BGRCs can do it. So, you know, when taking off bulks of hair at one time, you want to use your powerful, you know, detachable clippers and just, you know, knock it down first. So I'm just gonna pick out the rest of the hair just so everything can be stretched out so I know what I'm dealing with. I'm gonna brush the hair down on the sides just so everything is going with the grain. So now using my Wall Cordless Seniors with the 1.5 guard on open, I'm just gonna knock down the top. So right now I'm just doing a quick brush session just to lay everything down. His hair has been sticking up for so long, so you want to make sure you get a good session in and start brushing the hair forward, going with the grain of his pattern. So right now I'm speeding this part up because I ran out of memory, so I didn't really get to film the bottom line, taking out that bottom line. So I'm just speeding this part up because I'm gonna show you the steps and what it took to blend the sides rather than the back. All right, so forgive me for speeding this whole part up, but I lost some memory. Like I said, it just basically ended on me, and I just kept going. I was like, oh man, oh goodness, where's the memory when you need it? Where's the extra footage? Can I get some more megabytes? You know what I mean? At the time, it just, man. So with the lever open, I'm going up and I'm gonna shape it in a rainbow-like shape. Now my client wanted sideburns, so that's the reason why I'm starting with the lever open. It's kind of like a shadow taper. So with the one guard open, I'm gonna go up about 1 inch, and I'm gonna keep it the shape consistent all the way through. Now with the 1.5 guard on open, I'm going up just to create some more transition, going up about 1 inch, and still keeping it consistent. So the 2 guard is as high as I'm going, and right now I'm just cleaning up some bulk on the top. It's not really taking too much off, so I'm just clearing that bulk out and just making it the transition go smoothly. So right now I'm blending down. I put back on my 1 guard open, and I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 1.5. Closing the lever on the 1 guard, I'm just gonna, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now I'm just softening it up. Make sure you guys keep in mind that's all you're doing. It's not like you're gonna take the line out completely. You're just softening it up to come behind it with the next guard. So with the half guard on, not fully closed, what you want to do is close it and just notch it off just a little bit, and then flick out that middle line. So right now I'm just doing some detail work. I seen there was a little bit of bulk at the top, so I slapped on my 1.5 guard and just cleaned up some areas with using my corners. You know what I mean? When you do detail work, you want to try to use the corners as much as possible. So before I actually line my client up, I'm gonna knock down the front line just so that there's no overhang, or so the line just could be at its crisp. Right now I'm using the 1 guard open, and you only want to take off 1 inch when you do this. You don't want to start way back. You just want to attack about 1 inch of the front line. So after you're done with cutting anyone that has long hair and they, want to, cut all their hair off, it's always good. But it's always good, period, to do a freehand trim after each cut. Because, you're taking off the frizz and it makes it look that much more finished, that much more crisp after each cut. But after you take off, an afro or something, it's actually a must that you do because it makes your haircut 10 times better. YouTube, check it out. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when I drop videos. Make sure you click that bell button by the subscribe button to find out how you could get any tools that I'm using in this video. Check out the link in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy, but it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.